Hi there. Gonna have a little video here on how to use the Keto Mojo and how to get the blood out of your finger. So this is the little thing that you use to prick your finger to get the drop of blood. It has a guide as to how deep the needle will go. We use it at around 3. It goes from 1 to 5. You can play around and see, how deep you want it to go. But then you take it by the gray area and turn and lift it off. And that we've already used it, obviously, so there's a needle in there. But the needles just go right in this plastic part here, and you just push it down, okay? Then you take off the little, take off the little thing there, and that exposes the needle, okay? Then you put this back on, and you turn it so that it locks back on again with the gray. I'm doing it on a level of 3. Then you pull, and you can hear it lock. And now you just choose the area of your finger. I'm gonna do okay, so index finger. It's not high enough, there we go. And you press it up against the skin, and then when you press this button on the top here, it's gonna go off like a little shooter. So maybe you heard that, and then you see, you're not seeing anything. There you go.
Blood.
So it's just that easy. Doesn't hurt that
show
bad.
how to do the.
Oh, and then.
I don't think I'm in ketosis, but we're gonna do it anyway.
So these are the little test strips. You can just tear the little bag open and take out the strip. And the strip has one line that's going up and down and one that's going across. The one that's going across with the white end goes in the machine, okay? And then the machine will turn itself on immediately. And then where's your finger?
Here.
There you go. You put the other end right on the blood, and it soaks the blood up and beeps, and then it's going to count down, and depending on whether you're doing blood sugar or you're doing ketones, it'll count down, and then it'll give a reading.
Wow.
So Karen's
0.2.
ketones are 0.2 right now.
Okay.
Okay, that's it.
Bye.